A long ways away, on a mountain of scones, there lives an old man who has 5 broken bones. To help him to walk, he has got an odd cane, for his leg bone is one of the 5 that are slain. He has got a long beard that is all full of crumbs, for he eats scones all day, and occasionally plums. He has very round glasses and a lopsided grin, and though he eats all the time, he is really quite thin. On the highest of scones, which is sugared and flat, the old man often sits all alone, just like that. Then he rises again with a creak and a groan. He dusts himself off and he eats some more scone. "How did your bones break?" I asked him one day. "I fell on the mountain," is all he did say. "You fell on the mountain?" I asked with surprise. "That is what I said, and I don't make up lies." "But how can it be that you broke all those bones? For the mountain is all made of very soft scones." "My bones have grown brittle," he said with a sigh, "and shall continue to do so till the day that I die." Approximate.